Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs, and this is Mornings with GraCee. I am so excited to be here today. I have been working on a series of booklets for knitting, crochet, sewing, and today I'm going to show you my first booklet, Row Counter for Knitting. As a knitter myself, I know how frustrating it can be to keep track of your work's progress. So I designed a graph or row counter sheets that will help you keep track of each and every row. The great thing about this booklet is that you can step away from your work for a day or two or even a month and you will know exactly where you left off. So let's get started with the first book in the series for knitting of Sew GraCee, titled Row Counter. The Sew GraCee Row Counter is very easy to use. When we open it up, we have a folder pocket right in the cover, and then you'll see that there are these little tabs, first one being information, and then it shows you a little bit about what's inside the booklet. We also have one of my blogs from Crochet Club and Knitting 2 on Blogger. And the next section will be the row counter sheets. As you see, there's a place for the name of your pattern, your gauge, your size, the needles you're using right at the top, and then the graph where you count your rows. The sheet has columns for your back, your front, your two sleeves, a collar, a pocket. I've included other and a blank row in case there are other pieces that you need to make for an item or a standalone item. I've included 5 sets of row counter sheets, each counting up to 100 rows, and then I've also included blank sheets in case you have a project that's more than 100 rows, or maybe you have a smaller project that you just need a couple of rows, and you can use these sheets for that as well. I've also included 5 sheets of the blanks. The next section is abbreviations. I got a list of abbreviations that I thought were commonly used, and also a list of some knitting terms. This way you can reference them when you're working on your knitting projects. The back cover also has a folder pocket. And on the back of the book, I have my social media accounts, my email address for any questions or comments. You can also send me photos of your work if you like. I would love to see what you're working on. When looking through the booklet, you'll see that there are blank pages. These would be good for putting photos or other notes you might have while working on your project. I've included these stickers to use so you can mark these blank pages. I've also included a magnet for GraCee Designs, a pencil, and a 6-inch ruler. So there you have it. Sew GraCee Knitting, Booklet 1, Row Counter. Here is a sweater that I am working on, and it's been a while. And I am confident using the row counter that I can pick up right where I left off. My pattern is in the pocket folder in the front. I filled out the row counter sheet with the name of my pattern, the needles, the yarn, the gauge, and I've marked each row with the kind of stitch that I am making. My next row is row 65. For pricing and more info on Sew GraCee Knitting Booklet 1, go to graceedesignstore.etsy.com. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. GraCee Designs, Mornings with GraCee.